Now about the secretaries generally, there is one for each department and he wants joint secretaries, deputy secretaries, and so on. There is a whole army of secretaries. I do not know how many we have got. It is very difficult to keep pace with the growth of the secretary in our administration. When the British left, there were a few. Now there are too many. I am not at all suggesting that the number should not have increased. Our Prime Minister is quite right in saying that the administrative work has increased many times, 50 to 100 times. I do not know whether it is 50 to 100 times, but much of the work is not worth having because if you assess the work properly, then you will find some of the useless things need not be there at all. However, consider that point that we would require perhaps more ministerial servants in the various departments, more under secretary, assistants, stenographers, clerks, and so on. I concede that point, but are we not having too many secretaries? I know what work they are doing. Is there any proper check on that? Most of the work that goes in their name is actually done by people about whom we never discuss, whose merit we do not take into account, who are much maligned in the public administration of our country. The men in the lower rung of the ladder of this public administration, these assistants and others, do a lot of work, and it is a very good thing. We are a cultured people, we are a civilized people, and we are a people with initiative. Now, when they feel that they are the functionary of the government of a free country, naturally they would like to put their very best, and in fact they are doing so. Unfortunately, their efficiency is not given either due recognition or due incentive, which is required in order to tone up the administration and improve the affairs in our public administration. Parachain. We should reject this idea of administration by the secretaries. We have got a parliament, we have got a ministry which is supposed to be responsible to the parliament. Howsoever irresponsibly at times it may behave constitutionally, it is supposed to be responsible to parliament, and then we have got a big administrative setup of the government of India.